Hello dear viewers, welcome once again with your host Sunita ma'am to Excellere tutorials. Previously I had uploaded the explanation of the sixth poem of your prose textbook Flamingo, that is Aunt Jennifer's Tiger, which was composed by Adrian Rich. This video deals with the extract based questions of the same poem. If it's the first time you're watching my video, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that you can keep getting notifications. Your likes and comments give me inspiration to enhance myself, so like, share and even comment. So let's get started. First extract. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across a screen, bright to pass, denizens of a world of green. They do not fear the men beneath the tree. They pace in sleek chivalric certainty. Question number 1. Name the poem and the poet. Answer. The name of the poem is Aunt Jennifer's Tigers, which has been written by Adrian Rich. Question number 2. What are Aunt's tigers doing? Which color describes them? Answer. Aunt Jennifer's tigers are prancing across a screen. The color which describes them is bright to pass. Question number 3. What qualities do the tigers have? Answer. The tigers are fearless, well-groomed, honorable, brave and confident. Question number 4. Mention the rhyme scheme. Answer. The rhyme scheme used here is AABB. Question number 5. Mention the poetic devices used in this extract. Answer. The poetic devices used in this extract are metaphor, alliteration, visual imagery, anopera, contrast, personification, assonance. Example of metaphor: bright to pass, denizens of a world of green. Example of alliteration: chivalric certainty. Example of visual imagery: bright to pass, prance, screen, world of green, beneath the tree. Example of anopera: they do not fear the men beneath the tree. They pace in sleek chivalric certainty. They and they is repeated in 2 consecutive lines, so it is an anopera. Contrast: bright to pass, green world. These are contrasting the character of the Aunt Jennifer, because she is the opposite of all these things. Personification example: the tigers are personified here as they are jumping, prance is used for them, fearless, chivalric. Example of assonance: to pass, denizens, because Z and Z is repeated again and again. Second extract. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. First question. Why are her fingers fluttering? Answer. Her fingers are fluttering because she is nervous. Question 2. What is the condition of Aunt Jennifer in this extract? Answer. Aunt Jennifer is going through mental and physical trauma because of her unpleasant experience of married life. Question 3. What does massive weight symbolize? Answer. Massive weight symbolizes the pressure and burden she is undergoing. Question number 4. Explain sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hands. Answer. It means that she has to face the constraints and restrictions because she is not allowed to do as she pleases. She has to follow the rules of her husband. Question number 5. Mention the rhyme scheme. Answer. The rhyme scheme in the second extract is BBCC. Question number 6. Mention the poetic devices used here. Answer. The poetic devices used here are alliteration, visual imagery, metaphor, contrast, hyperbole, enjambment. Example of alliteration: fingers fluttering. Example of visual imagery: uncle, aunt, wedding band, fingers fluttering, ivory needle, sits heavily, hand, and massive weight. Example of metaphor: massive weight of uncle's wedding band. Contrast: hard to pull. Hyperbole: the massive weight of uncle's wedding band. Enjambment example: fingers fluttering through her wool, find the ivory needle hard to pull. Here enjambment because it is continuing to the next line without a punctuation mark. Third extract: when aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie still ringed with the ordeal she was mastered by. The tigers in the panel that she made will go on prancing, proud and unafraid. Question number 1. Explain terrified hands. Answer. Terrified hands show the hard and bitter experience of married life. Question number 2. What are her hands still ringed with? Answer. Her hands are still ringed with the hardships and difficulties she was mastered by. Question number 3. Who was she controlled by? Answer. She was controlled by her husband. Question number 4. What will her tigers do after her death? Answer. Her tigers will prance proud and unafraid. Question number 5. Mention the poetic devices used in this extract. Answer. The poetic devices used here are alliteration, metaphor, personification, transferred epithet, symbolism, pun. Example of alliteration: prance proud. Example of metaphor: still ringed with ordeals, terrified hands. Example of personification: terrified hands. Your personification because now Aunt Jennifer is dead and a lifeless thing is being given human qualities. Transferred epithet: terrified hands. Symbolism: here the tiger has been symbolized as having strength, fearlessness, confidence, independence, all these things which Aunt Jennifer wished for herself but could not achieve. Example of pun: ringed. Here two meanings are there. The first meaning is to be encircled or surrounded by hardships and difficulties. The second is an image or a symbol of the sacred bond of married life. Find the meaning of these words from the poem. First, jump. Second, panel. Third, precious yellow stone. Fourth, dwellers. Fifth, forest. Sixth, run fast. 7, well groomed. 8, honorable. 9, confidence. 10, trembling. 11, object made from elephant tusk. 12, immense or mighty. 13, pressure. 14th, ring. 15th, fearful. 16th, hard or difficult experience. 17th, controlled. 18th, screen. 19th, jumping. And 20th, fearless. The answers are: first, prance; second, screen; third, bright topaz; fourth, denizens; fifth, world of green; sixth, pace; seventh, sleek; eighth, chivalric; ninth, certainty; 10th, fluttering; 11th, ivory; 12th, massive; 13th, weight; 14th, band; 15th, terrified; 16th, ordeals; 17th, mastered; 18th, panel; 19th, prancing; 20th, unafraid. So that's all. Thank you for listening patiently. I hope it was very helpful to you all. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So we'll meet again in the next video. Bye till then.